Guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are still working on the SS-1. So the painstaking process of putting the strings on, I did off camera because it was actually my first time setting up a Floyd Rose. So some things I did, I put on some roller string trees and a set of 9 to 42 elixirs that Torsten from T's Guitars had given me when he gave me the guitar to work on. So right now we've got our intonation tool on here. It's hooked in the back and you set it right into the little hole there. I've got a little bit of tension on the string, but not much. And what we're going to do here is we're going to loosen this up. Just enough so that we can move it. And then we're going to take the tool and we are going to loosen this up a little and let that move forward. Because it only needed to go forward just the slightest little bit. So now we're going to tighten this guy down. Try something here just for a second. Okay, so that guy is all the way forward now. Get this slipping out of here. We're going to tighten that guy down and take that off. And that's it. Pretty simple to intonate. Now, if this isn't enough, now to bring this to intonation, there's a second hole here, and we would move this screw to the second hole here to have it come forward. So I'm going to check the intonation real quick. Where did I put my guitar? All right, so we're going to tighten this guy up. And we are dead on. So let's check. And we are good. Well, we've got to mess with the rest of our tuning now because that kind of threw it off. Plus the strings are still stretching because they're new. All right, right on the money. So, let's see what we got. And that is just completely on low. And so that was acoustic. Sounds like we went out again. We're in. So that is the bridge with the push-pull up. This is the bridge with the push-pull down. This is the bridge in the middle. And with the push-pull up.